right, so today we're doing the soul care planner, and this box was super cute. Plan a life filled with magic, and it has a little cute tape that says magic inside. So this is supposed to be a 2022 moon phase planner. This was ungodly expensive. It was $60. And I think that's because I bought it off Etsy. Again, like I was saying yesterday, I'm really trying to support some more small businesses on Etsy. I know everyone cannot afford to do Amazon or something else, and you know, that's okay. I was excited to get this. It looks really pretty. It was it did have free shipping, so I do think that's a huge plus. Let's see, align your life with the stars and discover your magic. Very cute. And I put away the scissors too soon. We have some plastic tape here, or not tape, a plastic wrap, which I do appreciate. I think that helps the box and the plastic wrap help to make this much, what's the word I'm looking for? Just arrive in pristine condition. All right. So this is actually pretty big. I don't know if you can see this. This is 7 inches wide by like 9 inches tall. So 7 by 9. It has a nice little lap band, soul care planner, the only planner that combines astrology and self-care. Yearly soul goals, weekly sun and moon, daily check-in, journal pages, monthly intentions, and a weekly planner. And okay, so just ISBN on the back. And let me make sure you can see all of this. Sometimes there we go. I zoom in too much. So, all right. So this is a hardbound planner, which I don't know if you're a fan. I always prefer spiral. That's just my personal preference, but this is nice. It has the gold foiling on the front. Oh, isn't that cute? We have little different moon phases here on the inside. And okay, now I think I have it centered. Bella de Luna Soul Care Astrology. So she has her little logo. Plan a life filled with magic. The stars are waiting for you. So meet your guideposts, seasons, zodiac signs, moon phases, elements, moon signs. So I always say this, I'm really not into that touchy, like feely, hokey kind of chakra stuff, but I do appreciate that many people are, and they're pretty. But again, maybe it's just because like they always go to astrology, and I just don't know when I was born and the date I was born, and that's just part of being adopted. You just don't know. So maybe if I did know, I'd be like way more into it. Some people are like, I know to the minute when I was born. All right, so we have moon cycle overviews. We have elements and moon signs. And then we have, okay, so now we have 2022 at a glance. It almost feels like this is falling apart. So these are circles of something. I don't know what the circles mean, and they don't really tell you, so that's not very useful. Maybe they told me in the beginning. I don't think so. Oh, new moon. Maybe that's a new moon, and that's a full moon. Yeah, we're going to assume that's what it means. All right, so we have January through December, a 2-page spread. We have room here for your soul goals. And again, it kind of reminds me of Cultivate What Matters, where they have all these different areas of your life. Word of the year, again, very Cultivate What Matters, Power Sheets-ish. That is a creepy photo. I'm just going to say it. It's a scary looking illustration. Let's just move on. Winter, stillness settles over us like a blanket when winter appears, blah, blah, blah. Practice when it's perfect time for creating a dream or vision board. Soul care ideas, let yourself dive into how you want to feel in the year ahead. Nourish your body with hearty foods like root vegetables and warm foods with ginger. Winter tends to be a quieter season for many of us. Winter dreaming, taste. Do you have a favorite tier snack? Touch, smell, sound, and sight. And then winter journal prompts. So we get 3. What do you want to leave behind with the previous year? Does the idea of slowing down, creating more space for rest excite you or make you uncomfortable? Do you allow yourself to dream and visualize your future? Oh, it's another creepy photo. I don't know why I find these very like nightmarish. We had this awful picture when I was a kid. I think hopefully my mom threw it away. It was just this tree. And I remember the leaves were like, it looked like this. The leaves were bare and it was like a fall day and it was kind of creepy and it always scared me. And I was like, why do we have this picture? And she's like, it's art. So I was like, well, all right then. January overview, how you show up, Sun in Capricorn, how you feel, soul goals, weekly magic. So your four weekly goals. And then you get a 2-page spread for January. So here's my problem. This is why I always prefer spirals, is because the pages they just won't lay flat. And maybe it's because we're in the beginning. But we have the new moon, first quarter, full moon. And it actually tells you right down to the specific minute. And then we have some space over here to write on the left, which I always appreciate when they put those over here. The only thing I will say is because this is Australia, I totally understand they start on Monday. I absolutely hate Monday starts. I know you've heard me say that before. It is just so confusing and backwards to me. Like for a weekly layout, it's fine, but for a monthly, 1000%, I cannot use this because it's so confusing. Okay, new moon in Capricorn, lunar intentions. We have Monday. Okay, so we have a horizontal layout, something I also hate. I know you're like, you're such a hater, Lisa. I can't help it. I just want to be honest. Personal preference, I wish this was a spiral. I wish that the month started on Sunday. And I also wish that the horizontal layout wasn't there. But let's try to focus on what's cute. I think all of this is, I think they told us in the beginning, you'd have to go back and look at the key. You'd have to pass by the scary photo. It's like in my house, I would like run by the scary photo or the scary painting. Okay, so this means Taurus goes into Gemini. I don't know what that means, but all right, so here's your weekly overview. You get some keywords, you get soul care ideas. I do like that they give you ideas. This is how are you feeling at this full moon? What are you celebrating at this full moon? So it seems to be putting the monthly emphasis around the full moon and not the monthly, Gregorian calendar, I guess is what you want to say. Lunar intentions. How do you feel about this last quarter moon? So I do like that. It's like very, if you want to focus on the moon, this is going to help you focus on the moon. And oh, by the way, we just have these annoying things called the Gregorian calendar where we have to think about that. Okay, now we have monthly reflections. We have another scary photo. I don't know why. I don't like bugs. So I don't know what these are. They look kind of like locusts. And every time I think of locusts, I think of like the 10 signs of the apocalypse. And one of them is the locust. All right, so now we have February. So I do like that if you look at this from the side, it has January, February, March, April, May. So you can kind of see with the way it does like a full bleed of the letters. But I suspect this is just a rinse and repeat. There we go, another scary photo. We have a bookmark, just one bookmark we can use. Not that it matters because, again, this won't lay flat. So it looks like this is a rinse and repeat. We have more scary photos. Oh, it's the same. It looks very similar. It's the same scary photo from the beginning. I think she just uses the same photos over and over, right? Where did I see that? I saw that scary photo somewhere. Now I'm searching out the scary photo instead of trying to run past it. I swear I saw it. There it is. Oh, I guess it's a little different. All right, same concept. We got an illustration here. Lunar intentions. What steps are you going to take? Write down that in the inside page. So full lunar eclipse, but otherwise it looks like a rinse and repeat. More scary photos. Another scary photo. Let's see. Oh, we missed the August scary photo. Oh, there you go. It's a creepy hand reaching out for a locust. And then, oh, we got a second bookmark. I didn't even see that. So you get 2 bookmarks. And then what else do we have? Another scary photo. And I think the problem is I'm kind of like Pollyanna. I just want everything to be bright and happy and like pastel-y and pretty. Yeah, that's kind of creepy. And there we are. Okay, let's see. Does she do anything different for the end of the year? No, we just have monthly reflections. We have a couple of blank pages, and that's it. I don't know what that is. And that's it. That's your soul planner. Let me know what you thought. I love the idea of this. I do like it definitely focuses on the moon. I do like that the pages, even though it is a bound, it has a full bleed to the edge, so you can quickly see where the pages are. I don't, as you know, I hate the monthly start on a Monday. I find that confusing and backwards. I don't like the horizontal layout, and I guess I just don't like the colors of the interior and the creepy photos. So they just don't seem to match with this pretty purple gold sort of cover, but maybe that's just me. Let me know what you think. All right. I hope everyone's having a great day. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101, and I will talk to you later.